Good morning, afternoon or evening to you, and welcome to my YouTube channel here at Benidorm and beyond. I'm an English woman who's lived in this resort for over 20 years, and I aim to give you an original take on all there is to see, do and enjoy in and around Benidorm. So here we go. Today I'm taking you for a morning walk in the late summer sunshine along a section of the Avenida del Mediterraneo. Starting at Plaza Triangular on the cusp of the Old Town, we will walk past a great variety and selection of shops until we reach the bottom of the Avenida Europa and its iconic roundabout and statue, so let's get started. Passing the latest branch of fast food chicken chain KFC on our right, we then walk by the footwear store of Salvador Artesano. Bordering this is a jeweller's and then the sporty and betting shop, followed by a small clothes store. Carrying on, we pass Fricka, who sell comic and anime collectibles and accessories, and then the Alley Hop gift shop with their famous black and white cow keeping watch at the door. Moving onwards, we pass clothes shops Elisa Ruiz and Bambola, and then the Doria beachwear store. Continuing on past some small landscape garden areas outside private apartment block Edificio Blanca 2, we then see Mulberry, who sells stylish women's fashion in this location as well as along the seafront. Passing the entrance to a private car park and an ATM, we next see the Amsterdam costume jewellery and accessories shop. Abutting this is the entrance to apartment block La Sirena, or the Mermaid, and then on the corner we see the recently opened premises of the cannabis shop. We now cross the side street of Avenida Bilbao, which leads all the way down to the beachfront and is lined with palm trees. Carrying on, we walk by the large Don Dino toy store, which has a green dinosaur above the entrance, which I didn't quite manage to catch fully on this video, and this sits next to a Chinese clothes shop selling all the usual bits and bobs. Next along we find the Coca fashion shop, which offers up-to-date glam and rather blingy women's clothing, whose tagline is that they dress the famous, although this does normally refer to the likes of minor Spanish celebs and news presenters. We then see the lift and steps down to the below street level supermarket Consume, and above this is Paris gift shop, who are one of the few shops left in Benidorm where you can still buy traditional ceramics and other handcrafted ornaments. Walking past the entrance to residential apartment block Edificio Torresol, we then pass clothing shop Begin, who mostly sell swimwear and beach items, and then another lift and steps down to the supermarket. Passing a fenced-off private car parking area, we then see Catholic Church, Parroquia Nuestra Señora del Carmen. It currently holds daily mass at 10:30 a.m. and 7:30 p.m. during the week, with extra services added at the weekend. We now cross the side street of Avenida del Dr. Ortioka, which again leads down to the Levante beach, and then on the corner we see the large clothes, shoe and fashion shop Super Joyo. Next door is Gala PL, who sell leather wallets and bags, as well as cheap knickknacks out the front, and then Moda Dahlia, women's fashion retailer. Adjacent we find a shoe shop, who specialise in shoes especially for diabetics and their associated feet problems, and following this is a mini mart, a Chinese shop, and then the J. Olmos clothes store, who have been operating since 1969. After this we see the Botticelli shoe shop, and then the Ether clothes store. We now walk past the back of the 4-star Hotel Sol Costa Blanca, which is situated directly on the beachfront and is recommended for adults, i.e. it's really for adults only, but we're not allowed to say that anymore. As you can see, they have extensive grounds, including their own car parking area, and the hotel was built back in 1952 and then renovated in 2002. With 185 rooms over its 6 floors, it is currently ranked 54th out of 198 hotels in Benidorm on TripAdvisor UK and is rated 4 out of 5, which puts it in the very good category. On we see a sign for feminine unisex hairdressers, which are just down some steps to our right, and then the large premises of Casa del Pintaron. Offering a large selection of genuine leather items such as handbags, purses, belts and travel luggage, they've been in this location for many years. Now passing a snacks vending machine, we then cross over Avenida Emilio Romero, which would take us right down to the beach promenade if we followed it down, and then we come to an open-air cafe bar, which was closed when I filmed, and this backs onto the children's amusement park, previously known as Festalandia, which is now part of the Sold Park chain. We then pass a gaming arcade, which is full of neon lights, noise and fun for all ages. And then after an ATM, we see the entrance to Ozone, which has been here since 1974. Offering more gaming and arcade style machines upstairs, it has a full bowling alley along with a bar downstairs and is ideal for those rainy days here in Benidorm. We now walk past 2 more residential apartment block entrances, including Torre Valencia, before coming to Roca Clothes Shop on the corner. This sits adjacent to Pilar Prieto women's fashion retailers, who continually seem to have a sale, so offer some great prices. Finally, we see the large Avenida outlet, who sell health and beauty products such as perfumes and cosmetics, and then a branch of the local Caixa Bank, which brings us to the junction with the Avenida Europa. This is where we'll end today's vlog, so I hope that you've enjoyed this informative and sunny walk along this section of the Avenida del Mediterraneo with me, and if you have, please consider joining me again in the future, as well as checking out some of my other videos full of information, news and reviews on local hotels, cafes and bars. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll see you out and about on Benidorm streets next time. Adios for now, amigos. See you later.